Hello and welcome to 60-Second Tech, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to enhance your digital literacy in only 60 seconds or less. My name is Dalton, your friendly neighborhood librarian from the Paul Sawyer Public Library. Today, we are going to talk about how to unsend a sent email. Now, you may be wondering, why would I want to unsend an email that I meant to send? Well, this could be especially important when you accidentally send an email or send a message that you soon regret. So, if this sounds like something that can benefit you, then let's start the clock and get started.
Let's begin by logging into your Google account. You can do this by signing in at google.com, then selecting the Gmail application. Once logged in, navigate to your settings, which is located at the top right side of your web page. This will open a short list of settings, but we need to select all settings. Now, look for the Undo Send option. Next to this is a drop-down menu featuring the length of time an email can be reversed. Select the preferred amount of time, then scroll to the very bottom of your settings list and click Save Changes. Let's test this out. Open a new composition menu, complete the address fields, draft your message, then, when completed, click Send. Immediately, a small window opens at the bottom left of your screen with the option to undo. This message will expire after the set duration of time. But if I click Undo, the email will reappear with options to edit or delete altogether.
Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you learned something new that will only benefit you along your digital journey. My name is Dalton, and until next time, I'll see you later.